What contributed to Uber Technology's second quarter revenue doubling? How Lear is looking to compensate for a second quarter net income loss. And Carvana can once again do business in Illinois. Good morning, I'm Kristen Strakalitis. Welcome to First Shift. Let's start with that news from Uber. It says its second quarter revenue more than doubled. At the end of June, the transportation company reported its gross bookings increased to an all-time high of $29.1 billion. It says this is thanks in part to the high demand for food delivery. Uber is projecting gross bookings of $29 billion to $30 billion in the third quarter. Meanwhile, the second quarter for seating and electronic supplier Lear didn't do as well as Uber. Lear's net income plunged by 60%. The company recently reduced its non-manufacturing salaried headcount by about 3% and is working to make further reductions to cut costs. The CEO says it is to maintain operational excellence and prepare for a potential economic downturn. Lear declined to say how many jobs were cut or where. General Motors and Panasonic Energy are both looking to source more of their hard-to-find metals and materials locally. This is in an effort to prepare for the Biden administration's goal of making half of U.S. auto sales zero emissions by 2030. Panasonic's vice president says innovation is not just in the battery technology and the material, but also in the designing of factories and training of workers. GM's chief advocate for global transportation technology policy says GM's Ultium batteries use 70% less cobalt than the automaker's previous generation batteries. And GM will continue to improve the chemical composition to reduce it further over the next few years. Carvana can resume business in Illinois on a limited basis. Recently, the used car company had its dealer license temporarily blocked there after failing to transfer vehicle titles in a timely manner and not issuing temporary registrations properly. The Illinois Secretary of State's office implemented a stay on its May decision to suspend Carvana from doing business in the state. Carvana can now conduct business in Illinois under strict guidelines. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.